Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and it's great to see you guys here. And today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day for watching videos online. So if you like watching videos or using an app on your cell phone, that's great. So do you know you can also get paid to watch videos? Now you will be thinking, how is that possible? Because up until now you will have thought that the only way to get paid watching videos is to be in the film industry or in TV industry. So what I am going to suggest to you, you will not be able to make a full-time source, but will definitely help you to make some extra bucks doing something you like. So there are some positions you don't get that easily, but if you get them, they are worth it and can be full-time job opportunity, guys. So then why not give a try? Because you are going to be watch videos anyway. So I am going to give you all the details right on this video. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that providing a tremendous amount of value. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell because guys you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, and don't forget to comment below. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing, and this is totally worldwide. So click the first link in the description of this video if you're interested on this, and I will share with you more information about the system, guys. Guys, the people who've gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information. So guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. So the first website I'm going to talk about is called Swagbucks. So you can go directly by swagsbucks.com and I leave a link below in the description of this video so you can check it out from there. So Swagbucks is one of the best online platforms on which you can make money by watching videos online. So you can make Swagbucks by watching videos or a collection of videos. So guys, they have plenty of videos available on their channel which are very interesting and useful. So go ahead and join for free. You can sign up with your email or you can sign up with your Facebook account. So they have a lot of things. You can earn points by watching entertaining videos, search the web, and you can also answer surveys and get points, and a great deal to earn your points, guys. And also they are giving the free gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and you can redeem your money through PayPal. So go ahead and check it out, guys. And they have paid out a lot of money to their members. So guys, let's go ahead and check it out. So guys, the second one is Ucubes. So basically this is an ad company and they guarantee a number of views to the clients from whom they make ads. So sometimes they outsource it and they will pay people to watch ads. So that is where you come. And basically they will hire you for watching ads on the top of it. And they also have fair enough referral programs to help you increase your earnings. So these websites not only help you earn by watching videos, but they also offer different options like playing games, surveys, filling up surveys, which you can also opt and earn from them as well. So guys, go ahead and sign up with here and I leave a link below in the description of this video so you can go and check it out. And you can also get paid via PayPal, and if you refer your friend you can earn up to 15% commissions from all of your referrals. So go ahead and check it out, guys. It's a great website. Okay, so let's talk about our last website. So last website is AppTrailers. So in this app, guys, you can earn points by watching promos of music videos, apps from movies, and much more. Again, the process is same. After the accumulating enough points, you can get them redeemed for cash or gift card, whichever you preferred. So this one doesn't pay that much, but the best part is that you will know what's new is coming out and what's not, and even find out things that may interest you. The good thing on this platform, that you can almost earn from anywhere or on any time. Other than this, there are a lot of different apps that you can use, and I will just like to say these are the good ways to make some extra bucks online, guys. So go ahead and check it out. It's apptrailer.com, and it's also available in Google Play Store and App Store. So it works on Android and Apple, both of them. So great ahead and check it out, guys, and it's pretty well good rating on both App Store and Google Play Store. So you can definitely go and check it out, and I leave a link below in the description of this video so you can go from there. So guys, these are the 3 websites I'm going to talk about today. So go ahead and sign up with this. And if you want to learn how I generate full-time income online, and if you want to use a better use of your time, so go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, and I will share with you more information about the system, guys. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, and it's stored completely worldwide. So you can definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link, guys, and thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, guys, make sure you do, because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that provide you tremendous amount of value, guys. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below. I'll try to answer them all, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.